Hey everyone, good evening all. This is Sirisha Ambapuram, currently pursuing BTech third year in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in JNTU Anantapuramu. Today I will be presenting a project called the College News and Event Systems designed specifically for JNTU College of Engineering Anantapuramu. Basically, this is a centralized web platform to share official updates, news, and event details with students, faculty, and other stakeholders. And coming to project overview, this system was created to streamline communication across the college. Instead of relying on a scattered WhatsApp groups, email chains, or physical notice boards, this portal serves as a single source of truth for all important information, and it is accessible, responsive, and easy to update also, ensuring everyone stays informed. And this is the website which I built, and let's see the code which we use. And coming to the folders which we used in the files which we used in this respective project, node modules. Node modules is mainly used to store the all dependencies installed via npm. You don't need to touch these directly. And here we see the name. We should give in the name of this project is college news system. And here we see the dependencies which will be required for our the project. Here we see bcrypt.js. Bcrypt.js mainly used for password hashing. So it is used for securely storing admin passwords and codes. Mainly the codes dependency is used enable codes origin resource sharing. That means allowing your front end, possibly hosted on a different domain or port, to communicate with the back end. And .env. .env, its purpose is load environmental variables from .env file. And we know that express dependency very well, I think so. Its purpose is web application framework for Node.js, mainly creating routes, handling HTTP requests or responses, middleware integration. And coming to JSON Web Token, it is mainly used for admin login or authentication and securing routes, verifying tokens, etc. And we also know aware about these mongoose. Its main purpose is MongoDB object modeling tool. It's mainly used for connecting your app to a MongoDB database, creating modules, perform CRUD operations on database. So these are the dependencies which we use in this project to build this project. And this is the required code. And coming to public file. In this public file, we maintain three sub files: CSS, images, and JavaScript, which we used in this. And coming, it's a public file contains static assets like CSS, JS, and image served to users, and then scripts. Scripts main content root handlers or backend logic. Here we should give in a create admin. Admin takes values like username, password, and the email of this username. And coming to server, it may contain root handlers or backend logic. And coming to views, it holds a HTML or EJS templates rendered by the server. Here we see admin login.html, admin HTML, contact HTML, event HTML, and index.html, and lastly news.html. Here we have the code which we have the pages which we required to do this project. And lastly we have the package log JSON. It mainly uses list projects, dependencies, and scripts. This is important for running the project because it logs the version of installed packages, and like install node.js. So to run these, we need all these files, and to install these dependencies correctly. Let's see how to run this code. First we will go to view menu, and then we will click on terminal. Here we see the console terminal. Node server.js. Here it is showing that the server is running port on 4000 MongoDB connected, and ignore these errors. So, and we will go to the Chrome, and then we will give the HTTP localhost port number 4000. Here is our website which I built, and this is the home page, and this is the events page. This is the news page. This is the events and the contact. Here contact, we have a name, email, message, subject, and message, and we can send the message. Here admin, it is a authentication process. Only admin logins can enter and modify the file. Suppose if we given the username. Uh, Here we see the page. Only the admins can log in and modify the details. Here we can add the news. Here we can add the events. Suppose if we create the news, TechFest, news is create the guest event, one of the biggest event. And here we given the image URL link Green. Suppose if we given any link, sorry, I have internet issues. Here there shows news added successfully. We will go to home page, and here we can see that in news page we can successfully loaded the image and also the details about this event. In this way this project will work, and we can, after modifying the details, we can log out, or we can delete the events, log out. Only admins can log in. So by using login and credentials, everyone can access. This is the news page, and we can connect with us by Instagram, LinkedIn. So this is all about our project. Thank you. Thank you.